All right, more news coming in. Student leaders have laid siege to Minister Kishan Reddy's residence over NEET issue. Leaders from the United Youth Students Association, NSUI, a combination of these groups, essentially SFI, the AISF, the PDSU, the PYL, the TJS, attempted to lay siege to the residence of Union Minister Kishan Reddy in protest of the NEET examination. These are pictures coming in from Hyderabad, where they were in fact being prevented by the police. I'm going to go straight across to Abdul for more. The protesters demanding the NTA be abolished. Give us an idea, Abdul, about the current situation right now, given that the police tried their best to prevent them from moving towards the minister's house.
Well, a group of student union associations led by the NSUI had laid siege to Union Cabinet Minister G. Kishan Reddy's residence today in a protest against the NEET examination, alleged NEET paper leak and mismanagement of NTA is what the protesters have been alleging. Now here today, all the students marched towards the residence of G. Kishan Reddy in Kachiguda area of Hyderabad, after which the police intervened and detained several of the student union leaders and have shifted them to Kachiguda police station. Now here the student leaders have demanded that the NTA, National the testing agency, must be abolished, and also the NEET examination that has been conducted must be cancelled, is what the students have to say. So here the police have detained all the protesters and taken them to the nearest police station, and the further investigation or case against these students will be registered. There was a tense atmosphere when the students tried to lay siege at the minister's residence, where barricades were set up, and then a scuffle broke out between the students and the police officials who were guarding this particular residence. Now, these students have been detained. Further action will be stated by the police in the course of time.
All right, Abdul, getting us those details. I want to thank you for the moment for getting us up to speed with that. These are pictures coming in from Hyderabad, where a body of students, a group of student bodies, protested, trying to lay siege to Minister Kishan Reddy's house there.